Hey friends, if you encounter the mail and calendar error 0x80040154 in Windows, then please watch this video. Now the answer, the main solution to this problem is to reset Windows Update components. One may ask why. I mean, think about it. What does the mail and calendar app have to do with Windows Update components? The reason is that the services associated with Windows Update components like the background intelligence transfer service and the cache files for it are the same as that for mail and calendar app. So we will reset Windows Update components, and I have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt and click on run as administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. So this script will shut down the services associated with Windows updates, delete the Windows Update profile, delete the software distribution in cat2 folders, re-register the DLLs, reset WinSock, and finally restart the services, which should fix the problem. But if it does not, then search for the mail app and then go to app settings. Okay, scroll down and then click on reset and then click on reset once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.